You searched how to buy shares of TOST Inc. TOST builds cloud point-of-sale systems and restaurant management technology. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TOST, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker TOST to locate TOST Inc. Make sure you select the listing that matches TOST on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure it is the correct TOST Inc. listing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it opens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link if you wish to follow the same steps.